Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and this is our third video on Redux with React.js. In this video, we will learn that how we can install React with Redux. So if you know that how we can install the both of things, then you can skip this video and you can jump on our next video, which is about the props in React, right? And if you are not on the playlist, then link is given in the description box for complete playlist. So in this video we will check that our npm is and node is installed or not. Then we will install the react.js, redux and react redux library. This library will make a bridge between react and redux, right? And this is the official library from the redux also. So now let's open the terminal first of all and let's check the npm and node they are installed or not, right? So just write here npm -v and here you can get the version of npm. Similar thing let's do with the node, and node is also installed. If they are not installed, you can install first of all, because we cannot continue without npm and the node in this series, right? So now let's go on a dashboard, and here I'm just going to create my new project for redux and react. So just simply write here npx create react app and our application name. So let's say my application name is redux tut, right? And just hit the enter. So when you just hit the enter, then it will just start installing it, and within that I'm just going to pause this video so that we can just save the time. So our react project is installed. Now let's go to the folder with react tut and let's open it in the code editor. So now you can see that this is our react project, and for a moment there is redux is not installed here, just react is installed here, right? So now let's just install the redux also. Just put here npm install redux, and when you just install, you can see that redux is also installed here, and the version of react is 4.0.4. and now let's just install npm install react redux for making the bridge between react and redux, right? And in the another tab I can just start it, and with command npm start, right? And it will just take a moment to start. And in the description box I will provide you the link of my git repository, so that you can just get the code for every upcoming video, and you don't need to write the code with the pausing the video, right? You will get the code from my GitHub account, right? So now you can see that react redux is also installed. Here you can see that the version of it's 7.2.1. this is also installed. And for this video that's it, and if you have any kind of question, ask me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.